Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking on another topic, that is city creation. Basically, in this, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is 7 days. Basically, one of the person told that basically, अरे राम मंदिर का तो यार कितने सालों से चल रहा है, बहुत तो 200-300 साल हो गए मेरा. Then one of the person told that then 7 days here basically 7 is basically just taking as an example basically. In really basically it might be many things basically, but 7 contains how many, just basically see na, one day basically contains 7 days, 7 24 hours basically. So you can just imagine basically to create this basically it might have taken lots of basically earth planet basically might have ended many times, lots of things basically might have happened basically. So one of the person told that basically Ram Mandir बनने में, to create Ayodhya Ram Mandir basically it has taken lots of time, lots of incidents basically has happened basically. That incidents contain this all basically. So basically lots of hard work has done basically done, and in this basically one thing has assumed basically that if this is not clear then basically you have to clear this basically, that basically Uttar Pradesh and Bihari people will clear it basically because they have created the Ayodhya Ram Mandir. That is, you have to add your days into this basically. If Supreme Court, High Court basically has given the permission, that means this basically they might have checked, no, basically. This basically they might have 100% checked basically. Then only basically this Ayodhya Ram Mandir basically inauguration date everything happened basically. Otherwise basically Supreme Court, High Court basically are literally basically telling that basically you create Ram Mandir basically. That is not possible. To create one temple basically, lots of things basically are taken into condition basically. So this is basically already done. In this basically you have to add, here basically I have taken just 1 month. 1 month, in 1 month basically 7 days basically comes into the Sri Ram God group basically. So in Sri Ram God group basically Uttar Pradesh basically are there, Madhya Pradesh groups are there, Gujaratis are there basically, then Malayalis, lots of Malayalis basically are there because Ram basically contains Hanumanji also. So lots of people basically are there basically, and they are basically giving the contribution basically. For what contribution? Few basically people will say that basically, yeah, I can do fast only basically, nothing else basically I can do basically. So that fast blood cells basically comes into the picture. So 7 days basically that blood cells basically gets helpful basically, because in universe basically if one person say that basically can we go this side or this side basically, because that side basically nobody has saw that particular place basically as in that basically. So that time basically the fasting people basically is going to help basically, their blood cells are going to help basically, their blood cells basically are going to help basically. So that time basically the people basically who are doing fasting basically, right, basically their blood cells basically are used in this way basically. And that's also basically very rare blood cells basically comes into the this basically, that is this. So create this month basically, 1 month, lots of things basically has been used basically, it's not like that basically. And lots of people say that यार ये तो जो है कहाँ कहाँ जाता है, he basically goes into the red light area. But one of the person told that basically in red light area basically lots of people basically, lots of girls basically do the fasting basically. That data are also basically taken into this basically, that data are also basically taken, it's not like that basically nothing data is basically taken basically. So this data basically contains that type of data also basically. So lots of people says that यार यार ये तो कैसे 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 एरिया में जा रहा है, which kind of area basically is moving basically. So they basically never gets the proper job also because he is going to red light area basically. So that type of people basically are ignored from the society basically, people are ignored from the society. The girls basically who is drinking beer, wine basically, they basically literally gets ignored basically. But in USA basically that's totally different basically. Why? That's a culture basically. That's a culture of USA basically. Why? Because there basically if you don't drink basically, then your health comes into the problem basically. There basically is totally different basically. But here basically if girls basically drink, then basically it comes into a culture issue basically, because Indian culture basically are created up to that level basically. So here basically we talked two things basically, one is red light area girls, they also do the fasting basically. It's not like that basically they don't do the fasting basically. Their data are also basically taken in this basically, because you can't ignore a single person basically from this earth planet basically. That's the thing basically. And that's why basically the each and everything basically is created like 90,000 year and 1 month also basically are taken. That's why basically doctor never ignores any of the patients basically, any of the patients basically. And they, if they ignores basically, by chance they ignored, just taking as an example basically, by chance they ignored basically, it might possible that basically that patient only basically become responsible for this 1 month end basically, that is this generation ended. And in this basically whatever things basically was created, that much things basically added. And in next basically generation basically, when next planet basically is going to create, that time basically the, and that time basically the animal is going to create basically. And in this animal basically, one of the blood cells will be of the doctor's blood cells basically in that animal basically. And in that basically the doctors was responsible basically, that was basically will be going to be marked. So just see basically universe group basically of how much powerful basically are there. They literally marks that basically, that due to that doctors group basically, the planet was ended basically. That planet was ended basically. So that is also one thing basically. Now assume that basically, one more example. Assume that basically one person is basically trying for marriage basically. He is not able to do the marriage. Just taking as an example, one person got divorced and he is not able to do marriage, and literally he died basically. Just taking as an example, basically. And literally he died basically. And somebody has marked in his body basically that if anything happens to that particular person and his generation is not going more forward basically, due to that basically the earth planet is going to end basically. So whenever he basically is going to see that particular person, he is ended basically, because he has marked that basically person's body basically, he is not exist. So immediately basically that second only basically he will end the world basically. So that type of things. So like this basically many stories are basically there. That's why basically the Bollywood group basically tries to solve each and every issue basically. This type of marriage issue basically they solve basically, and they only basically creates the problem also basically. And in future basically it might possible that is that whenever the world will end basically, and next time basically the world will start, that time basically the Bollywood group basically will be the responsible, and on the base of that Bollywood group basically one of the animal is going to create. So that's why basically the people basically who are into the earth planet, they basically never ignores any of the thing basically. They never ignores any of the thing basically. So here basically we discussed lots of things basically. One is doctor's issue, another is one person basically trying to do the marriage and his no marriage basically is not happening. Due to that basically he basically was not getting job, this that's everything basically as in that way, and he basically died basically. That time basically who basically was supposed to solve that problem? That problem was supposed to solve by Bollywood group and the human industry. That is assume that basically that person basically died of the software industry person basically. Assume basically. So Bollywood industry is handling the software industry. So Bollywood blood basically is going to be responsible for current generation and basically. So next generation when it's going to start basically, that time basically the animal is going to create, and that animal is basically what? That animal will be the Bollywood blood cells basically responsible for previous generation ended basically. That will be the marked inside the blood cells of the animal basically. So whenever basically the world is going to start, that time basically the Bollywood like blood cells is responsible. That will be the energy basically which is going to be set basically. But what, assume that basically currently which generation is ongoing basically, which is the responsible group basically. So in next video basically we are going to see that only basically.